Hello friends, I am going to make you understand illustration number 33. This is the questions from CMA Inter Cost Accounting, that is the process costing. Okay, look at question number 33. Please read the questions. This is the question of equivalent production units. Please read the question here. Illustration 31. 33. The following informations are obtained in respect of the process A. In respect of the process 3, in respect of process 3 in the month of this, opening a stock, that is the 1000 units value, opening a stock value, direct material 390, direct material first, there are two types of material, direct material first 390, direct material second 75, direct labor rupees 112, production overhead rupees 118, process 2 transfer to the into process 3 6000 units at the cost of 2360, transfer to process 4, that is 47,000 units. Direct material added in a process during 3 rupees 520, direct labor implied this, production overhead this, unit scrap 300, degree of completion, direct material 100%, this is a scrap, direct material 100%, direct labor 80%, production overhead 60%, closing stock 200, degree of completion, direct material 60%, direct labor 50%, production overhead 60%. Look at it. There are two types of material in the given questions. Okay. In this stage, degree of completion stage 100% material. It means the first material, second material, the both are the 100%. Okay. In the case of closing stock, direct material is 60% is given here. Direct material 60% is given here. It means first material is 100% completed and second material is 60% completed. First material in the case of closing a stock is always taken 100% if the completion stage of the material first is not given. In the case of scrap as well, first material should be taken 100%. Okay, look at here. In the given case, normal loss is 5% of the production unit scrap realized. 5%. Normal loss is 5%. It means your input was 6. Your transfer to process 6. This is your input. 6,000. Okay. The normal loss is 5%. Normal loss is 5%. How it is calculated normal loss? Please try to understand in this case. Opening a stock is 1000. Input from the process 2, that is 6000. Closing a stock is 2000. Process happen 7000, that is the 5000. Normal loss is calculated on this normal loss. 5% of this is 5000 and this is 250. 5% of 5000, that is the 250. Look at it. Out of 7000, opening stock is 1000. Input in process second this, normal loss is 250. Closing stock this. Then what will happen in this case? Please try to understand. 7,000 minus 250 minus 2000. This is 4750. 50. It should be 4750. But transfer to process 4700 is given. Transfer to 4700 is given. The transfer is only 4700. It means abnormal loss is 50,000. Abnormal loss is 50 units. Abnormal loss is of 50 units. And the normal loss is realized 0.20. Prepare the process under weighted average method. Weighted average method, that is the average method you have to calculate. In this case, opening a stock is completed. Opening a stock completed is assumed under the same process. It is assumed there was no work has been done in the last process. All work under opening a stock is done in the current process. It is not done as per your FIFO method. We have completed last all the questions of equivalent production unit using FIFO method. In that method, we had separately completed for the remaining units. But in the case of weighted average method, opening a stock is completed 100% under this current process. Okay, this is a difference. Please concentrate on my solution, then you will understand more. A statement showing equivalent production units. A statement showing equivalent production units. A statement showing equivalent production unit. Please concentrate on these topics. Input. This is your input. This is a particular. Output. Material 1. Material 2. This is a labor. This is overheads. In the case of this is written material 1 percentage, this is written units. In the case of second as well, this is written percentage, this is written units. In the case of third, this is the percentage, this is units. In the case of fourth, you write this is percentage, this is units. Okay. Now, in this case, opening a stock. What was the opening a stock? That is 1000. Look at here. Opening a stock was 1000. Please. Opening a stock 1000. From process 2, that is 6000. Okay. In this case, completed units that is 4700. In the case of completed unit, it is assumed to be 100%. It is assumed to be 100%. It is assumed to be 100%. It is taken as 100%. That is a 4700, 4700, 4700, 4700. Thereafter, normal loss. 250, this is not considered any completion unit. Okay, abnormal loss. Abnormal loss is 50. First material is assumed to be 100%, that is the 50. Second completion stage of the material is given here. Look at here. Normal loss, scrap completion, direct material 100%, first as well as second is 100% material. Direct labor is 80%, production overhead 60%. Please try to understand here. This is 100% as well. This is your 80%, and this is your 60%. In this case, this is a 40, this is a 30. Now closing stock. Closing stock 2000 units. First assume to be 100 if it's a completion stage is not given. This is a 2000. Now second material completion stage is given 60%, 50%, 40%. This is 60%, 40%, 50%. That is the 50%, 40%, 40%. This is 1200 units. This is 1000 units. This is 800 units. This is 7,000. This should be also 7,000. Look at it. In this case, 67 6750 50. This is 47,000 plus 1250. 5950. 5640. 5740. 4700 plus 30 plus 800. 5530. 5530. 5530. This is the way of calculating a statement of equivalent production unit in weighted average methods. Okay, in average method you can say as well. Okay, now I am going to calculate cost per unit of equivalent production unit. Calculation of cost per equivalent production unit. Equivalent production unit. Please, cost of per equivalent production unit. In this case you write material 1, this is material 2nd, labor, this is overheads, opening a stock, look at it. In the case of FIFO method, opening a stock was not considered to calculate the cost of per equivalent unit, because first opening a stock is completed and that cost is taken in the completion stage, that cost is taken in the finished goods stock. But in the weighted average, it is assumed that all production, all completion unit is done in the current process. There was no earlier completion in opening a stock. Okay, these are the reasons. So what was the cost of the opening stock in this case? 390 first material, material second 75, direct labor 112, overheads 118. Okay, 390, 75, 112, 118. Okay, thereafter add during period, add during period. Please look at it. What is the cost added? First is 6,000 and its cost is 2350, 2360. Thereafter material second added in the manner 520, direct labor 1060, production overhead 1540. This is the production overhead. Okay, 2360, 2360, 520, 1036, 1541. Realization from scrap, realized from normal loss. Normal loss, we have normal loss 250. The price of normal loss is 250 and its price is 0.20. Its price is 0.20. 250 into 0.20, that is the 50 rupees. This is subtracted. Thereafter 27, 2700, 595. This is 1148, 1148, 1659, 1659. Total cost. Equivalent units, six seven 50, 5950, 5740, 5530, 5530. This equivalent unit is calculated here. Okay, these equivalent units are calculated here. Okay. Cost, this is suppose A and this is B. Cost per equivalent units. In this case, A divide B. Cost per equivalent units. Two 2700, 6750, 595, 5950, 1148, 5740, 1659, 5530. Rupees 40, rupees 10, rupees 0.20, 0.10, rupees 0.30. Now calculation of value of, in this, after this you have to calculate it component value of each components, like calculation of value of abnormal loss. It's a very easy to calculate. Material first, material second, this is your labor, this is the overhead. Look at it. In the completion stage you have to find here abnormal loss. Material first is 50, material second is 50, 40, 30. 50, 50, 40, 30. What is the cost per unit of these? Cost per unit, this is given here, 0.40, 0.10, 0.20, 0.30. It cost is 20, 5, 8, 9. Total cost is 42. Now, calculation of value of closing stock. Calculation of value of closing stock. In this case, material first, material second, labor, overheads. What is the material first in closing stock? Look at it. This is a closing stock. In this closing stock, material first is 2000, material second is 1200, material labor 1000, overhead 800. This is 2000, 1200, 2000, 1200, 1800. Rupees 0.40, 0.10, 0.20, 0.30. Rupees 800, 120, rupees 200, 240. Total cost 1360. Okay, calculation of value of closing stock, value of completed units, value, calculation of value of unit transfer to fourth process, calculation of value of unit transfer to process 4. Material 1, material second, labor, overheads. In this case, this is a 4700 unit in each case because of 4700 unit transfer. Look at it, 4700 unit transferred. Completed unit 4700 in each case, that is a 4700. In each case it is a 4700. Okay. Now the cost is 0.47, 0.10, 0.40, 0.20, 0.30. That is 4700 into rupee 1, that equal to rupees 4700. Okay, we have calculated here the value of each component. Now we can make a process accounts, process 3 account, process 3 account. this case this is the particular units amounts, particular units amount. Okay, to opening a stock. $1,000. The cost is 695. The cost is 695. How it is calculated? Please try to understand. Opening a stock cost 390, 75, 112, 118. 390, 75, 112, 118. After adding this, how much amount you will get? 390 plus 75 plus 112 plus 118, 695. This is the cost. This now introduce unit cost is 2360. Additional cost is 520. Implied labor cost 1030. This is a production overhead cost is 1541. These costs are taken. Okay, look at it. 695. To transfer from process to 6000 units, and its cost is 2360. To material 520. To labor 1036. To overheads 1541. The total you have 7,6152. By closing a stock 2000, 1360. By normal loss 250. Its cost is already calculated 50 at the rate of 0.20. Closing a stock 1360 we have calculated here 1360. These all costs are considered taken there. By abnormal loss 50. What is the cost of abnormal loss we have calculated here? That is 42. You write here 42. Finished goods transfer to process for 4700. This is the 42 by transfer to process for 4700. That is the 4700. 7000 units 6152. In this way this question has been complete. Okay beta, all clear concept. I revise, I explain each and every topics, each and every point, sir. Okay, thank you class.